If you love glowing skin and bold 90s lips, the Oscars 2026 red carpet makeup trends are going to be everywhere this year. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we are breaking down my predictions on what will be the biggest makeup trends from the Oscars 2026 red carpet. The Oscars are basically the Super Bowl of beauty trends. What we see here often influences makeup for the entire year. And this year, the vibe is likely to be elevated, natural glam with statement moments. We're seeing glowing healthy skin, 90s inspired berry and vampy lips, baby doll blush, soft sculpting, and effortless but expensive looking makeup. So if you want to recreate that red carpet glow at home, I'm going to walk you through the biggest trends and exactly how to wear them yourself. Trend number 1, skin prep for that luxury glow. The biggest trend of the year is glowing skin, but not oily and not glittery. Think expensive, lit from within skin. And honestly, this look starts with skin prep. Before foundation, celebrity makeup artists are layering hydrating serums and lightweight moisturizers and illuminating primers. One illuminating product that is a must-have is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. You can use this under your makeup, on top of your makeup, or mixed in with your foundation. And what it does is it actually blurs and smooths and illuminates your skin for the glow of your life. It's also infused with skincare and brightening extracts to brighten your complexion. And they're using facial massage to boost circulation. A lot of artists also prep the skin with facial sculpting tools or lymphatic drainage massage so the skin looks lifted and fresh. They're using red light LED masks like the Megalyn mask I recently showed you, which is so good, and of course the New Face as well. And instead of heavy foundation, we're seeing very sheer complexion products. So think skin tints and radiant foundations. A makeup hack to make your foundation look really radiant is actually to take some skincare. Here I'm using the Rhode glazing milk, and you mix that into your foundation. I'm using the Dior contour stick here. This is actually Hailey Bieber's foundation routine that she shared on TikTok. And so what you do is you mix the two products together, then apply them to your skin, and it makes the foundation come out so radiant, so beautiful, and gives this gorgeous luminosity to it, but also you're going to still have the coverage of the Dior foundation stick. So this is such a great makeup hack. Strategically place concealer so that the goal is skin that still looks like skin. You should still be able to see freckles and natural texture and your gorgeous glow. This is the opposite of full matte glam that dominated a few years ago. Now the goal is effortless looking luxury skin. Trend number 2, the 90s berry lip comeback. One trend that's really going to stand out this year is the 90s inspired berry lip. This is such a gorgeous throwback moment. So now instead of nude lips dominating the red carpet, we're seeing those gorgeous blackberry tones and plums and wine shades and also deep rose shades. It's giving supermodel era glam. The key difference is that the rest of the makeup stays very soft and natural looking. So you get this bold statement with the lip, but the overall makeup still looks modern and effortless. Many celebrity makeup artists are also slightly blurring the lip edges instead of creating super sharp lines, so this makes the lip feel more romantic and wearable, and you get that blurred lip look. And honestly, this trend looks so incredible on so many skin tones. Then there's trend number 3, which is the vampy red carpet lips. So another huge trend this year is vampy lips. These shades are deeper and more dramatic than the berry lip. So you want to think deep oxblood shades and burgundies and dark cherries and chocolatey plum shades. This trend gives that old Hollywood meets modern fashion energy. To keep it from looking too heavy, makeup artists are pairing vampy lips with glowing skin and soft brows and minimal eye makeup. This balance is what makes the look feel editorial instead of overpowering. It's dramatic but still chic. Then there's trend number 4, which is baby doll blush. One of the prettiest trends on the red carpet this year is baby doll blush. Instead of sculpted cheek contour, we're seeing fresh, youthful blush placement. Blush is applied higher on the cheeks, slightly across the nose, and it's blended into the temples. This gives that romantic, almost porcelain doll look. The shades dominating the red carpet are soft roses and cool pinks and peachy pinks and flushed berry tones. Cream blush formulas are also extremely popular because they melt into the skin and they keep that dewy glow. This trend is really about creating that healthy flushed skin look like you just stepped out into the fresh air. Trend number 5 is soft sculpting instead of harsh contour. Heavy contour is officially taking a backseat this year. Instead, we're seeing soft sculpting. Makeup artists are using cream bronzers and subtle contour sticks, and they're diffusing the blending of the contour. So the idea is to enhance natural bone structure rather than dramatically change it. Cheekbones are softly lifted, the jawline is subtly defined, but nothing looks too harsh. It's all about blended skin-like dimension. Then there's trend number 6, the barely there eye look. Another major trend from the Oscars is minimal eye makeup. Instead of dramatic smoky eyes, we're seeing soft taupe shadows and champagne shimmer in a diffused liner with fluffy lashes. This new Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette is perfect to create the look, and it is actually only at Ulta, and it's called the Essential Neutrals eyeshadow palette. Now, this palette is so easy to use, and it is, again, a neutral eyeshadow palette. It's curated to add depth and dimension with smooth, blendable, crease-resistant wear, and it does come in a range of matte and metallic finishes. So it's just so creamy on your eyes, and then you can also use the deeper shades in this palette to do a soft winged liner for yourself, so it's a more diffused winged liner. Then also, of course, the Rare Beauty mascara is the ultimate for fluffy, full, thick, voluminous lashes that also look natural. They actually do look like your lashes, but better. And here I'm just adding one of the metallic shades from the palette onto the lids and pop it in the inner corner of the eyes. This palette makes it so easy to create a gorgeous look, easy and effortlessly. Brows are also more natural looking this year. They're brushed up, softly filled, and slightly fluffy. This keeps the focus on the skin and the lips, which are really the stars of the show this year. The overall eye look is meant to enhance the eyes without overpowering the rest of the face. Then there's trend number 7, which is the effortless model off-duty glow. The overall theme of the Oscars beauty trends this year is effortless luxury. Makeup artists are leaning into that model off-duty aesthetic. That means radiant skin and minimal powder, and they're using cream products and natural looking highlights. Highlighter is used very strategically. Instead of a strong stripe of highlighter, it's actually tapped and blended into the cheekbones and into the inner corners of the eyes and onto the brow bone and the cupid's bow. And you just put just enough to catch the light on the red carpet or on your next coffee run. So those are the biggest Oscars 2026 makeup trends that I think we're going to be seeing everywhere this year. Personally, I love that makeup is moving towards a healthy, glowing skin look and effortless beauty again. And I'm especially excited about the 90s berry lips and the baby doll blush. These trends are so flattering and so wearable. So let me know in the comments which trend is your favorite. And if you want, let me know if you'd like to see a full tutorial recreating one of the red carpet looks. Let me know which one. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you guys so much for spending time with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.